Hello. So my topic is Introduction to C programming. What is C? It is basically a language written by Brian and Dennis. This was the language that Unix was written in to become the first portable language. Uh, C has been used as a general purpose language because of its popularity with the programmers. Why should we use C? Mainly because it produces code that runs nearly as fast as code written in assembly language. Here are some examples where we can use C. Operating systems, language compilers, assemblers, text editors, prints and network drivers, modern programs, databases, language interpreters, utilities. Uh, History of C programming. In 1972, Dennis and at Bell Labs write C, and in 1978, the publication of the C programming language by Kernighan and Ritchie caused a revolution in the computing world. In 1983, the American National Standard Institute established a committee to provide a modern, comprehensive definition of C. The resulting definition, the ANSI standard or ANSI-C, was completed late 1988. Why C is still useful? C language provides efficiency, flexibility, stability, and provide functionality through rich set of functions libraries. Gateway for other professional language like C, C++, Java. C is used. Where C is used? Why software compilers, editors, embedded systems, data compression, graphics, and computational geometry utility programs, also used in applications program. Software development method. It requires problem definition, analysis, define, generalize, decompose the problem definition, design, development algorithm, and then implementation, in which we write a code, and then verification and testing. Development with C. 4 stages. First is editing, second processing or libraries, third is compiling and linking. And here are programming languages. Various programming languages, some understandable directly by computer, other requires translation steps. Machine language. Programming languages. Assembly language. High level languages. History of C. Hardware independent programs portable to most computers. C standard libraries to part to learn the C world. Learn C itself, take advantage of rich collection of existing functions called C standard library. Avoid reinventing the wheel, SW reusability. Basic of C environment. Thank you.